From day one out here, it's been a pretty heavy snowpack. It was -24 when we got out here, and it had already snowed about 40 inches, and it's been snowing constantly since we've been out here. So the avalanche danger has gone from considerable to extreme. Currently we're doing avalanche analysis training coupled with HLZ survey training. So it basically covers down on the environmental reconnaissance mission that SOWTs are responsible for, as well as the global access survey mission that the controllers are responsible for.
If we're trying to bring helicopters or fixed-wing aircraft into an environment where these conditions exist, then we have the training and the skills to protect our team, protect the assets, and get the mission going.
Typically we use the weather balloon to predict drop winds for resupply drop or a high altitude, high opening parachute jump. But out in this environment, we use it to collect upper air data. Basically that helps us forecast the environmental conditions where we're going to be hiking to. So we can launch it at 6,000 feet and we can see where our avalanche problems are going to be before we even step on the mission.
It benefits SOWT when CCTs and SOWTs work together because we're two sides of the same coin. We're working towards building access for airplanes into harsh, austere environments behind enemy lines. And when you bring two talented groups of people together with different aspects of training and understanding, you just gain cross-training and better communication and a sense of teamwork.
We have combat controllers and special operations weather team working together. We're called a special tactics team for a reason. We're much better when we do our jobs, not independently, but together.